How to use a gift card in Walmart. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can actually use your gift card in Walmart, so make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to use your gift card on Walmart, first of all just go to www.walmart.com and then make sure to sign in to your Walmart account. And then once you go to this website and then sign into your account, on the top right hand side you'll find this little profile name that says account, right? So just click on this option. Once you click on the option, again you'll find the option that says account. So you want to go to the option that says account again, and once you go to account, where you can see welcome to your account page, under the wallet tab you'll find the option called gift card, because you can set different type of card and you also find gift card. Just make sure to click on the gift card button. Then once you click on the button that says gift card, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter the card number of your gift card. Once you enter the card number and then make sure that the digits are correct, also make sure to actually enter the pin. And then once you also enter the pin, also make sure to enter the gift card nickname. And if the details are actually correct, you can select the option called save card from the bottom, and then you can use this gift card to shop for a specific product as you actually want. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then actually add a Walmart gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.